Hey everybody, Chef Billy Parisi here. Thanks so much for stopping by. Father's Day is around the corner, so I'm gonna cook with my absolute most favorite person on earth, my daughter. What's your name?
Olivia.
Olivia, that's right. Olivia and Dad are gonna whip up some amazing cheeseburgers. That's your favorite?
Yeah.
What's my favorite?
Tomatoes, lettuce, onions, and cheese, and meat.
And?
Bacon.
You got it right. She got it right. Bacon. She knows I love bacon. Dads, I know you love bacon too. I don't know what's going to happen in this video. I'm going to give a preemptive thank you to Franke. They're going to help us prep up everything, keep our hands nice and clean. So with that being said, are you ready to get started?
Yes.
Let's do it. Boom. We're going to start this recipe by rinsing off our fresh produce. We've got some tomatoes and some leaf lettuce. First, I'm going to roll out my Franke roller mat. We absolutely love this thing. We use it for drying dishes, as a hot pad for hot pans to keep our countertops nice and safe, and also as a counter to rinse off our vegetables. Olivia's gonna help me rinse everything off, get it nice and clean. Then we're gonna go back to our cutting board. We wanna thinly slice up our tomatoes. I don't like a big, thick tomato on my burger. I like it thinly sliced.
Oh, that's hard. Or like that. That's easy.
I like to do it really thin.
Oh, mine's hard.
Because I like tomatoes.
I don't like tomatoes. Juice come out of that eel. Hi, my name is Olivia, and this is my favorite dad, and I love him very much. And I'm going to be in his video today.
I'm your favorite dad. Is there another one?
No, just you.
Just me? Okay, that's good to know. All right, so lettuce? Cool with lettuce?
Yeah, I'm going to cut all the lettuce, and you cut all the onions.
Well, you can't cut all the lettuce, but what we need to do is trim this up, all right? So we can serve it in little single serving pieces on the burger. Okay, all right, so here's what we do. You just want to cut it up a little bit and break it up. Do you think you can do that?
Yeah.
Okay, hook it up.
Okay, cut. Cut in piece. Cut.
Oh, okay.
My salad.
Oh, you're making a salad? Oh, okay.
No, like cutting the salad things.
Then we're gonna cut the ends off a red onion and peel it. I suggest you let your kid do this, but you may not have saw it. She was just drowning in tears from those onions. They make everybody cry, even kids. What are you gonna do? Next, we're gonna thinly slice it because just like the tomatoes, I like a thinly sliced onion. Go ahead and set it to the side and let's get started on our ground beef. I'm using 80-20. That means 80 lean, 20% fat. You need a good fat to lean ratio to make sure your burger's juicy, tender, and absolutely delicious.
Oh, I know how to do that. Give me some, please. Thank you. I need some peels. Thank you.
Once your patties are finished, let's head back to the sink, wash up real good your touching raw ground meat. That was the first thing my kid asked, should we wash our hands? This feels funny. Yes, absolutely wash your fingers and wash your hands very, very well. Dry them off. Let's go back to the patties. I'm gonna season them up with sea salt and cracked black pepper. Olivia does not like pepper, so I'm just gonna put salt on her burgers. I'm going over to my flat top. You can grill them, but for some reason, I like the way a burger tastes on a flat top much better than a grill. I think it holds in all the flavor, all the juice, all the fat, makes a really tender, juicy, delicious burger. So lay them down on your flat top. They're gonna cook extremely fast, maybe 3 to 4 minutes per side. That is it. Once I flip them over, Olivia likes American cheese, so do I. We're gonna simply add a little slice on there. And at this time, I'm gonna add the buns right to the flat top. We wanna crisp those up as well, and then we're gonna plate up. Everything's finished, it smells amazing. Livy's hungry, I'm hungry. Let's plate this burger up. Let's lay down our toasted bun. I'm gonna add mayonnaise, mustard, ketchup, green leaf lettuce to catch any juices from making our bun soggy. Add on our cheeseburgers, tomatoes, onion, bacon because why not? Some pickles, and then the top bun. Boom, we are finished. Now let's make Olivia's. Okay, Liv Lou, my hamburger's done. What do you want on yours?
Just these.
You want both of them or one?
Just,
You want both of them?
yeah.
Okay.
I'm really hungry.
You are.
Daddy, that's no, just that one.
You don't want this?
I do.
Yeah.
On that one.
And then the bun.
Yeah.
All right, what do you think?
Yummy.
Yeah, I'm gonna take a bite of mine. You take a bite of yours. Cheers. Cheers.
So juicy.
And so yummy,
You
right?
have something on your shirt.
Do I?
Yeah.
Okay, I'll wipe it off. Good? Is it good?
Yeah.
Okay. Guys, thanks so much for tuning in. Really simple recipe, the classic cheeseburger, the simple. Always good, always wonderful, and a great opportunity to hang out and cook with your kids. So it's Father's Day. We want to tell everyone Happy Father's Day, right? So what do you want to tell all the dads out there?
Happy Father's Day.
Yeah. All right, we'll see you guys next week. Take care.
I'm glad.
It is
Yeah.
awesome.